Daily use English sentences. Listen, repeat, and practice. Let's begin. That's very kind of you. Repeat. That's very kind of you. It is used to politely thank someone for their help, support, or thoughtful action. Example. A. I can help you carry these bags. B. That's very kind of you. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Repeat. I'm looking for a gift for my friend. It means the speaker wants to buy or find a present for someone they know. Example. A. Can I help you find something today? B. Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my friend. That's not my responsibility. Repeat. That's not my responsibility. It means the person is saying the task or problem is not their job or duty to handle. Example. A. Can you fix the printer today? B. I'm sorry, that's not my responsibility. Do you think I am correct? Repeat. Do you think I am correct? It is used to ask someone if your idea, answer, or opinion is right. Example. A. I believe this is the right solution. B. Do you think I am correct? Thanks for telling me. Repeat. Thanks for telling me. It is used to show appreciation when someone gives you information or explains something. Example. A. The meeting has been moved to tomorrow. B. Thanks for telling me. I might have an update. Repeat. I might have an update. It means the speaker may have new or recent information to share. Example. A. Did you hear anything about the project? B. I might have an update. You never know. Repeat. You never know. It is used to say that the future is uncertain and something unexpected could happen. Example. A. Do you think he will change his mind? B. You never know. He gave me his phone number. Repeat. He gave me his phone number. It means a man shared his contact number with the speaker. Example. A. How will you contact him later? B. He gave me his phone number. We should visit more often. Repeat. We should visit more often. It means the speaker feels they do not visit enough and wants to do it more regularly. Example. A. It's been a long time since we came here. B. Yes, we should visit more often. It might break easily. Repeat. It might break easily. It means something is not very strong and can be damaged without much effort. Example. A. Be careful with that glass. B. I know it might break easily. She's allergic to peanuts. Repeat. She's allergic to peanuts. It means eating peanuts can cause a harmful reaction for her. Example. A. Should we add peanuts to the dish? B. No, she's allergic to peanuts. Can you shut the blinds? Repeat. Can you shut the blinds? It is a polite way to ask someone to close the window coverings. Example. A. The sunlight is very bright. B. Can you shut the blinds?
Thanks for watching.